Alright guys, I'm headed out to Thunder Thunder Harley Davidson for their anniversary event. They've been owned by the Powerful Sports Company, can't remember which one. But this is their third anniversary of being owned there. So we're going to go up there and check it out. The dealership has been a lot cooler since they took it over. I'm just going to throw that out there. But we're going to head up there and check out the event. Let's go. There is one important stop I gotta make on the way up to Harley. I gotta go see my tax lady. Not to do taxes, but because I'm gonna give her a t-shirt. Okay, so when I was young guy, I would do H&R Block and do the taxes, and after a while I was like, well, they're not, I don't think, you know, I can do this by myself. I'm a grown man now, I can do these things. Well, when you start a business, that's a different animal altogether. Because it's the LLC taxes, doing the Part C, a little more than you know, I'm comfortable with as of yet. I had done it myself, tried to do it online, and a lot more questions than I was ready for. Maybe year after next, maybe year after that, maybe I'll be able to do my own taxes, but until then, H&R Block lady to the rescue. So I'm going to the H&R Block here in South Haven, because they did really good work, got my taxes back. She found a whole lot of stuff that I missed. I don't know, that sounds like a commercial. They're not paying me, I'm not endorsed or anything, but I just, you know, I want to talk about good work when I get it, and she did very good work. So thanks, Diane. You're a very smart lady, smarter than me in taxes anyway. But I did tell her I'd give her some stickers and a t-shirt, so I'm on my way to do that now. I haven't got to ride this bike in a while. It's been kind of cold, and it wasn't cold, it was windy. So or rainy, which again, if it was 70 and rainy, that's one thing. When it's 45 and rainy, yeah, that's a different story. So I haven't been able to get her out for a while. So it's a very nice day. It's like 75, sun's out, no clouds, absolutely no clouds. Can't say that for the last 2 weeks. That's absolutely not been the case. But so good opportunity though now to take her out. So I'm gonna, and to a Harley event nonetheless. This is where this bike likes to live. I've heard a lot of crap that the Sportster won't do over 70. Or if it does, it's shaky. This bike is loving this. It doesn't like to go slow on the highway for sure. Probably wouldn't be fun to crash on the highway. Why did I say that? It's not too heavy in here today. Oh, it must be noon. All right, let's go on, see how the birthday party's going. Let's do her. All right, so we're just getting here and we're already getting bikes, and I'm talking to people with their bikes over here, talking to little new friends. You always got to make new friends. So we're gonna go inside. So what's your name? Where are you from?
Gavin. I'm from East Memphis.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
So you liking it here?
I do. I like it a lot more than I liked it where I was before.
Hell yeah, man.
It's really nice. The people are very great. The bikes are always nice, no matter what size, no matter what brand. They're always welcome. It's pretty great. They had a great turnout. They're really doing good out there. They've got girls in the dunk tank. They got people out here on the stage. plenty of food, plenty of, you know, everything that you want as at least a guy. That
Absolutely. All right, we're gonna get inside and see what's going on here. I just got here, but man, it's, like I said, it's already hopping out here, so let's go check it out.
Yeah, just your name and your.
Right or wrong, tonight we sail on a radio song. Rescue me, should I go down? Been staying too long in a troubled town. Oh, yeah, you wreck me, baby. Yeah, you break me in two. But you move me, honey. Yes, you do. Down again, I get the feeling. The final win, I'm gonna break even. Rescue me. Should I go wrong? The dig too deep. If I stay too long. Oh, yeah.
might just come their way. The dreams might come true, depending on today. Dance for me, baby. Come on, come on, come on and dance. You make me feel so good. Dance for me, baby. Come on.
All right, so we're here at Sidecar Cafe, and we are with.
Sunny.
All right, Sonny. So where are you from?
I'm from Nesbitt, down the interstate.
All right. So what are you doing here?
I'm a server. I take care of people, and I meet cool people like you.
All right. So what kind of food do you have here?
Everything. We have melts and Philly cheesesteaks and burgers and pasta and appetizers. Everything.
All right. And what do you have to wash that down with?
Beer, alcohol, and soda. If
Right.
you're non-alcoholic.
Tell us something about you that we don't know.
That no one knows, like a secret.
Like a secret.
Oh my goodness,
That'll be a secret after this,
I'm
but-
really scared of elevators. So whenever I have to run food upstairs, I take the stairs. I don't
nice.
use the elevators.
That is cool.
Yeah.
All right,
That's
well,
me. Come
thanks,
see me. Bye. Do you like it? Dun, dun, dun.
Here's a bigger one.
All right. So we're here at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson, and who are we with?
Emily.
All right, Emily. What do you do here?
Well, I'm a motors clothes specialist, so I sell anything that you can need to ride your bike, from helmets to socks.
To socks.
Yeah.
All right. So how long you been here?
I've been here about a year and 5 months now.
All right. So what do you got to tell us about this store?
It's really a great store. It's really freaking huge. It's got so much inventory in it. It's so much to look at. The people here are so nice.
All right. So tell us something about you that no one else knows.
I like to take naps a lot.
Everybody likes taking naps. All right. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you.
All right. Still at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. Who are we with?
Maggie.
All right, Maggie. What do you do here?
I am a motor clothes girl at Southern Thunder.
All right. So how long you been here?
Been here since February 1st.
right.
Exact.
So what do you do?
I fit people for motor clothes. I get them geared up safely on the road. I sell really awesome motor clothes and t-shirts at Harley Davidson.
All right. So if you could point out any shirt that you would want right now in this store, what would it be?
I will show you which one that I have bought 3 of because it's my favorite one. And
Top shelf item.
top shelf, baby. All right, this is the front of it and the new pinup back.
Oh, I do love that one. And I don't have that one yet.
Nope,
I've probably got 5 or
So-
6 of these shirts.
fix that.
Shake it.
There
shake
we
it,
go.
Shake it.
I just love that back.
All right. Very cool. All right. So if somebody want to come in here and buy a shirt from Maggie, when would they come?
Now, yesterday.
This won't be out till tomorrow. So what
Well,
day
you
is
gotta
it
come
here?
see me then.
So you're here every weekend.
Every weekend.
All right. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
Squeeze right together like you like each other.
I can only be so close to me.
Like, comment.
Subscribe and hit that girl bell. Hit that girl bell.
That girl.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
You ever come up on a thing and just kind of wonder what happened when you weren't looking or before you got there? You know, something happened because there's like cop cars everywhere, but you're just kind of not sure. Just not sure.